Ang kwento po ni na San Pedro at San Pablo ay talagang malaking tulong sa buhay po natin bilang mga Kristiyano. We've known them to be laborious preachers and the leaders during their time. At napakinggan po natin yung mga napagdaanan nitong dalawang ito, mabuti man o hindi mga mabubuti. We've heard how the Lord trusted them so much. We've heard their fall, but we've also heard how they rose from the rubbles. And you might, together with me, wonder or find it awkward that as we celebrate their feast day today, we've heard stories not of their own victory, but both of them struggling. Wala naman po siguro sa atin ang magugusto na ang pag-usapan ay ang mga paghihirap natin sa araw ng ating mga kaligayahan. Ang masiwalat ay yung mga pagkakabagsak natin at hindi yung pagkakaahon natin sa buhay na ito. But I think they really intended to tell the story of Saints Peter and Paul in that way as we celebrate their feast. Yes, they were struggling, they were in chains, they were weak, but one thing was consistent. There is this God who gave them the assurance, and this God whose presence was all for them. Peter, for his case, had the angel with him, freeing him. Paul believed in his heart that the Lord stood by him. And as I've said, Peter and Paul are good examples of a struggling Christian. Tinawag man ng Diyos, pero hindi nakaiwas sa mga pagkakatalo. Tinawag ng Diyos, pero nakaramdam ng pagkakabagsak. Tinawag ng Diyos, pero napanghina dahil sa dahas ng tao. But as they face these things, again, one thing was consistent. The Lord was helping them all throughout. And my dear brothers and sisters, hardships may be insistent, but God is consistent. He never left Peter and Paul. He would also never leave his church. Much of all, He would never leave you and me. When they were carrying their crosses, when they were also struggling, God stood by them. At sana po ay mapalakas tayo ng katotohanan na ito sa buhay natin, na hindi tayo iniiwan ng Diyos sa mga pagkakataon na ito. Peter and Paul moved on with their ministry because God led them out from their own sufferings. And if this is the same for them, this will also be true for us. Kahit man na tayo ay tinawag din ng Diyos, ginagawa natin ng lahat para maging isang tapat na Katoliko. Pahirapan o mahirapan man tayo, the Lord will be standing by us. This God will be standing by us, will give us strength to fight, and would always lead us out from painful situations to experiences of healing and for strength to fight again.